really lightened up since I pre-sprayed it already. I actually lightened it up a lot just by the pre-spray. So this is some water staining, and this is Target. This is a tannin product. I think it's called Target Tannin. It's for water staining and stuff. 20 volume also works a lot of times. So I'm just gonna let that sit, and once we extract it, I think it should be gone. This is a real dark area here. But I think we're gonna have some good luck with it. It looks like, see the plant there? Water damage. See it disappearing. Chemistry, folks, makes the job a lot easier. So Aaron's going around right now, and I don't know what that is. I hit that with 20 volume. Whatever it is, you can see it disappearing. Yeah. Definite water. So I'm going around spotting everything, giving it time, you know. By the time I pull out the hoses and everything's got enough dwell time. To do the job. Alright, so this one I'm not sure about, so I'm going to leave this stuff right here. In case I need to give it a little special attention. Looking good. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. Just hit with a little bit more pre-spray. I must not have got enough on that spot. Oh, water stains are gone. Your hot water extractor, guys, gotta love that. Just under 200. Totally forgot about this. This is a 20 volume I'm treating this with. Gone. And Nike shuffle. Even though these are Adidas. I'll do a post spray on that also. So don't ever try to tell me neutral pH cleaners don't work. So I use 90% of the time. That means no rinse needed. There. Alright guys. Beautiful. A little bit of, I'm not sure what it is. We did a post spray on it though. Thought it was rust, but it wasn't. And this was that room. Holy moly. We good. So neutral pH, guys, carpet detail. Link below the video. 10%, $10 off actually. Your order on it. So make sure you use the coupon code on there. All right, that's it. A lot of cleaning. This last job right here. Carpets came out so good, the customer thought we were carpet installers. And that's Aaron's little deal there. I stole it. I told him I didn't steal it, I'm just passing it on. Alright, so thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, you know the routine. We'll see you next one.